Programming is an art form. When you first start, it can seem really intimidating because it looks like a foreign language, and because of this, many people are scared to even begin programming. They start their programming journey with the entirely wrong mindset. My name is Siam Rahman, and I love programming. I've been coding for the past 6 years, but it wasn't until recently when I grew an actual passion and love for it. When I started, my programming journey was very tough because I couldn't find anything that was clear or concise. I was given simple examples and was expected to copy and paste it everywhere. Understanding programming versus just blindly writing code are two very different things. In order to get good at programming and master your programming skills, you must understand the code as opposed to just copying it. You must also understand and ask questions like, why is one way better than the other? Why do we utilize one thing over another? Or why do we have a cache or a stack? Things of that sort. So when I got started with my programming journey, neither YouTube nor my own university could teach me the beauty of programming, and I had to find it out myself. Ever since then, I made it a goal to provide others with clear and concise tutorials that touches on everything from basic syntax and variables to the notorious data structures and algorithms. These videos were created to serve one purpose only, and that is to teach you the fundamentals to get started in Java or Python. It is very crucial that you write beautiful code as opposed to writing code that just merely works. These videos and my full course will cover just that. If you're interested and if you want to learn more about Java or Python, head over to my website and check out the various courses I have and the concepts covered in each. I think you'll find them very useful, and if you're just beginning your programming journey, this is the perfect way to start. I thank you for visiting my YouTube channel, and feel free to browse through my videos. Take care and good luck on your path to a whole new career opportunity.